Holy friggin' pooper scooper. It just won't stop snowing. Me and Monks here? Yeah, we're cold. No, Dakota, you're not going outside. You're not going outside yet. It's too cold. Yeah, don't stare at me. It's just too cold outside. It won't stop snowing. It's like we're in the Arctic. And Monk's here. Yeah, we're going nuts. Me and him, we're just going nuts. We don't know what to do. We went to school 2 days this week. And now it's like blizzarding outside again almost. What do we do? What do we stinking do? Someone's speeding on that road. I can't drive on it because my car will get stuck. We're in a freaking winter wonderland here, and we just can't get out of it. And it won't stop snowing. It just keeps multiplying. I'm going back to sleep. Monks, take it out.